Hey friends, if Logitech camera is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I'll launch an application which uses a camera. I'll show what happens while after I launch it. Meanwhile, right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select camera. Wait for this list to load. Make sure that the switch is on for the app on which you're using camera. Now I'll go to this app. I'll click on the three dots associated with it. I'll click on the three dots associated with it and settings. Now I will try to find the camera option here. It might be in the privacy tab or the devices tab. Yes, it's in the devices tab. Make sure that the correct camera is set. Once these two options are once you're sure about these two options that they are connected, make sure that the camera is also working. There you have a camera and the camera shows a light there. If that doesn't happen, then search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on the camera driver and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.